Now, do you want to look at the tape measure? And let's see what we can do with a tape measure. Yes, we can make the tape measure bend. What else can we do with this tape measure? Do you have any good ideas? You like watching yourself do things, huh?
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
On the boober tuber.
Yeah, this is baby tube. This is baby boy tube, baby grandson tube. Here, yeah, let's Grandpa see. He wants to make it go up. We will make it go up to the ceiling. Whoops. Well, maybe not. We tried, but baby's not going to let that happen. Look at that. It's you and me. We're on the video on the computer. We're being like Boopa. Boopa. Or PewDiePie. Yeah, PewDiePie, you call him Boopa. Which makes no sense to me whatsoever. It makes no sense. No sense. But we have a little boy. Plays with a tape measure every time when he comes to see Grandpa. Yeah. Uh-oh. Did you fart? Yeah, and it sounded wet to Grandpa. Ouch. You hit my hand with the tape measure.
Uh-huh.
Yes. Look at this little boy playing with the tape measure. Can you touch the ceiling? Huh? Can you touch the ceiling? Yeah. Tape measures can be awkward if you don't know how to... Whoa! You don't know how to use them. But Grandpa used them for many decades. Yeah, Grandpa has lots of tape measures. Grandpa has lots of tape measures, and he can make all kinds of things with wood. Yes. Maybe one day you'll learn how to make things with wood using a tape measure. Because you need a tape measure for measuring things. Tape measures are very, very handy. In construction, they're an indispensable tool. Indispensable tool. Can Grandpa show you something? We're going to show you something on here. See, a lot of people don't even know it. People that use tape measures for years, there's information on the back, useful information on the back of the tape. And having a 2-year-old with you when you're trying to display the information makes it impossible. Yeah, it makes it impossible. 2-year-olds are senseless. Ouchie, wouchie, you got Grandpa's ear with that tape measure. What were you thinking about? Clicking Grandpa's ear. You're just having fun. You love to do that with Grandpa's tape measure, huh? And if it ever breaks, Grandpa will probably buy a new one so you can do it some more. Huh? See? Booby, 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 booby. What are you doing with that? Grandpa has something else interesting. What is this? Yeah, this is Grandpa's knife. He has it in this sheath that he made. Sheath opens up, you can clip it on your belt. You just love playing with Grandpa's tape-o-measure. Huh. You love playing with a tape-o-measure. You love playing with the tape-o-measure. Huh. You like a tape measure? Can you say tape measure? Huh? Can you say tape measure? Why do you like this anyway? Why do you like bending the tape measure? Huh? Can you explain why? Can you explain it to Grandpa why you like bending that thing and playing with it so much? Yeah, Grandpa's gonna teach you how to use that one day. Grandpa's gonna teach you all kinds of things about tape measures. That's interesting to know, but right now you're way too young for that. There's a wealth of things you can do with a tape measure. They do all kinds of good things. It helps you understand the world around you. Yes, sir, it does. It'll help you make things accurately. Accurately. Can you say accurate? Yeah, you see all the little marks on the tape measure. And Grandpa's going to teach you what they all mean. But you're a little too young right now. Pretty soon, Grandpa's going to start teaching you things. A few years from now. They won't make a lot of sense to you, but one day they will. When Grandpa shows you how to use it. The first time Grandpa shows you how to take a piece of wood and use the tape measure to mark it and saw it, all of a sudden the light will come on in your little brain. And you'll be happy and you'll learn something. The best way to learn things is by doing. You learn by doing. It's the best way. It sticks in your head. People can tell you things and tell you things. But until you do it, it doesn't really stick. And there's a reason for that. Don't do that. That hurts. These things are sharp too, you know. See, when you learn by doing, you're using more of your brain than just having somebody talk to you. Because you have to use your hands and your eyes. And you have to use your little brain. Yeah, and then that makes things stick in your head better. You retain it much longer. Yes, it does. You'll retain it.